any comments?
I think it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
I learned
liked
a
it?
lot. I learned a lot.
It's been really informative, and it's given me a heads up on things I need to redo that I've been doing wrong, and probably things I can do better. So it's going to be nice for me and my little cake here.
Oh, I feel it's fantastic. More than value for money. You know, I feel so grateful to be here, because the best thing I liked about Michael is not about teaching tricks and using the bird for entertainment, but how to maintain your bird as a healthy companion.
So I see I have a challenge to use the clicker and give a treat.
I've gotten pointers on how to train my bird, how to tame my bird, how to feed her correctly.
I mean, that's the attitude I think one should have towards animals, because they are sensitive, they're intelligent. Tricks are a bonus, which he taught us, that's great.
Yes.
But what I learned most about was this, and this flow chart, which shows all the components of a healthy bird and a social bird. I think I'm going to really take that to heart.